Tottenham wordt met veel respect gekeken naar Ajax, ook door Lucas Moura.
Two young teams, so it will be very interesting this game, and we need to be clever because, like you said, we have two games, and we need to put our intensity like we do always here in Premier League. We can win this game.
Waar Ajax al vaker in de halve finale heeft gestaan en zelfs finales heeft gewonnen, is het voor Tottenham de eerste keer.
I think we have a great opportunity to be here playing the semi-final. It's not happen often, and more for a club like us. That is our first time that we are playing the semi-final in Champions League. That is why you must to show respect. You must to show respect for the competition, and you must to show respect for the opponent because it's going to be tough. I think it's going to be so tough. Ajax is fully deserved to be where they are, and of course it's going to be a very competitive game.
Mauricio Pochettino heeft Ajax goed bestudeerd en is lovend.
I think to arrive to the semi-final is because we have a lot of quality, and of course you have unbelievable player, and Ajax is doing fantastic. In the group stage they were unbeaten, playing again a tough team like Bayern Munich, of course, and then beating Real Madrid and beating Juventus. You know, I think that only the result describes how strong is Ajax and how a good team is. Of course, we can talk about quality, but I think it's difficult to find some weakness. I think it's a team that really deserve a lot of credit. His manager and the player, they are doing a fantastic job. I think it's like a little bit like us. No one believes that Ajax can arrive to the semi-final or the same, I think, Tottenham. But on the end, we are there because we deserve to be. And of course, I promise you, we are very focused and thinking that it's going to be a really, really tough semi-final.